Hello everyone, Pat Flynn here. Are you looking for easy ways to earn some extra cash? Paidwork app might be your answer. It helps you make money right from your phone. So, what is Paidwork? It is a mobile application you can download on your smartphone. It offers you tasks to do, and when you complete them, you earn. Many people around the world use it to make the most of their spare time. Who can use Paidwork? Pretty much anyone with a smartphone. Are you a student? This can help. A stay-at-home parent? Great for you. Maybe you just want a little extra spending money. Paidwork offers that flexibility. You can use it whenever you have free time. No boss, no fixed hours. You decide. In this guide, I will show you everything step by step. How to start, how to earn money, and how to get that money out. I'm excited to share this with you. Let's unlock those earnings. First things first, let's get the app. Go to your phone's app store. Google Play Store for Android or Apple App Store for iPhone. Search for Paidwork and tap the download button. It is free and quick to install. Once the app icon appears on your screen, it is ready to go. Now, let's create your account. Open the Paidwork app and sign up using your email address. Create a strong password and keep it safe. Some apps let you sign up with Google or Facebook, which can be even faster. Follow the simple on-screen instructions. Once your account is set up, you are in. Take a look around the app. You will see a dashboard where you find tasks and earnings. Check your profile section to make sure your details are correct. Get familiar with where everything is. It is designed to be user-friendly. Paidwork offers many ways to earn, giving you choices. You can fill out surveys, play games, watch short video ads, shop online, and invite friends. Let's talk about surveys first. Companies want to know your opinions. Paidwork connects you with these surveys. Answer questions honestly. Surveys can be about products or habits. Some are short, some are longer. The longer ones usually pay a bit more. Playing games is another fun way. Yes, you can earn money by playing games. Paidwork might ask you to download a new game. Play until you reach a certain level, or play for a specific amount of time. Watching videos is also simple. These are usually short advertisements. You watch them, and you earn small amounts. Shopping online can also bring rewards. Paidwork might have a cashback feature. This means if you shop through their links, you get a percentage of your spending back. Referring friends is another cool method. Share your unique referral link. When your friends sign up and earn, you get a bonus. Section 4. Show me the money cashing out your rewards. So you are doing tasks and earning. Great. But how do you see your progress? Inside the Paidwork app, there is a section for earnings. It usually shows your balance in points or actual money. This balance updates as you complete tasks. It is exciting to watch it grow. Make sure you know where to find this. It keeps you motivated to continue. Now about getting your money out. Most apps like Paidwork have a payment threshold. This is a minimum amount you need to earn before you can withdraw. For example, it might be $5 or $10. This amount varies, so check in the app. Be patient and keep earning. You will reach it eventually. Paidwork offers different ways to get paid. Common options include PayPal, gift cards, and sometimes bank transfer. Look at the payment options in the app. Choose the one that works best for you. Once you reach the threshold and choose a method, you can request your payment. There will be a withdraw or cash out button. Follow the steps carefully. It might take a few days for the money to arrive. This is normal, so don't worry. The app will usually tell you the processing time. Then, celebrate your hard-earned cash. Section 5. My take and top tips, making Paidwork work for you. Okay, so what is my honest take on Paidwork? I have tried many apps like this. Paidwork is a legitimate way to earn small amounts. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Please remember that. You will not replace your full-time job. But it is good for pocket money or for saving up for something small. It is a nice little extra if you have spare time. My first big tip is consistency. Try to log into Paidwork regularly. Maybe every day or a few times a week. Do a few tasks each time. Even small earnings add up over time. Think of it like a piggy bank. Every little bit helps it grow. Consistency is key to making it worthwhile. My second tip, choose your tasks wisely. Some tasks pay more for your time than others. Try different types of tasks. See which ones you enjoy and which ones give you the best return. Always read the instructions for each task carefully. This helps you complete them correctly and ensures you get your reward. So, should you try Paidwork? I say why not give it a go? It costs nothing to download and try. See if it fits into your routine. You might find it a fun way to earn. I encourage you to download the app. Explore its features for yourself, and please, share your experiences in the comments below. Let's help each other make the most of it.